Welcome to Papa's Workshop. Well, today is the unboxing of my new CNC. Now, this CNC is the 1000 millimeter and it's from the CNC4NEWBIE. Now, I had contacted them and I've been working with them for a number of months, and you've seen my video where I installed the upgrade on my X-Carve with the CNC4NEWBIE's Z-axis. Well, they wanted to send me a whole new CNC machine. It's the NEW-Carve. And it is fantastic, and I know you can't wait to be able to see it. Today we're going to be unboxing it, and then in the very near future I've got the video coming out where I'm assembling this. So if you haven't subscribed, now's the time to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you won't miss out on the videos on assembling and getting this CNC4NEWBIE NEW-Carve up and running. So let's get started. I was surprised today. The DHL driver knocked on my door with my brand new CNC machine. And the driver was absolutely fantastic, helping to get this carried into the shop. Now, this arrived about a week early, and I was very surprised. I was in the process of building my work table for the CNC, and lo and behold, here comes the CNC early. I absolutely love it. Now, this box is about 12 by 12 and about 4 feet long. The nice thing about it, everything is in this one box. I don't have to worry about multiple shipments and product becoming missing or lost. This is the NEW-Carve CNC machine from CNC4NEWBIE that I had ordered. Now, this is the 1000 millimeter unit. And the nice thing about this, if you wanted to be able to take all the components from the X-Carve and put them onto this CNC machine, you certainly could do that. Now, I chose to go ahead and put everything new so that I could keep my X-Carve running and be able to make some side-by-side comparisons. As I begin unboxing this new CNC machine, the first thing you'll notice is everything is individually wrapped and well packaged. All the wiring harnesses come together. These are 2 of the drag chains that are necessary, and they even have the screws to go with it. Now, inside this foam container are the stepper motors. Now, this is the 269-ounce stepper motors that I'm going to be putting on this CNC, and they are also well packaged. Next, I want to unpackage the Z-axis. Now, this is already completely pre-assembled, and I also had the mount put on this for my DeWalt 611 router. And you have a choice of the type of router mount that you can put onto this Z-axis. I love the fact that it's already pre-assembled. That is so much better than having 1,000 parts that you have to be able to put together. Next, out of the box, is one of 2 of the Y-axis. And again, this is completely pre-assembled. The only thing I'm going to need to do is be able to bolt it onto the frame, and it'll be ready to go. Next out of the box is the frame itself. Now, this is packaged with all 5 pieces together. You have 3 of one length, and then you have 2 that are a little bit longer. And during the assembly, I'll show you how that goes together. Now, there's 2 items left in the box. The first item is the second of the Y-axis, and then the last item in the bottom of the box is the gantry. Again, these are pre-assembled. Everything is put together. The only thing they have to do is be bolted on. I must say everything is very, very well packaged. The other thing that I want to mention right now is that this was air freighted to me. I was actually surprised when I talked to the gentleman that delivered this, and I said, well, wow, the last time I checked the tracking, it was still in Ohio. And he said, yes, it was. It was air shipped down from Ohio down to me that morning, which really surprised me. I did not expect that. And finally, here's the last item, and this is actually the largest piece. This is the gantry, again, totally pre-assembled with everything on it. I'm going to get this box out of the way so we can get this opened up so that you can see it. Now, it takes longer to get all the bubble wrap off the different parts than anything else. But I love the fact that it's pre-assembled. I remember when I received my first CNC machine and I looked at all of the pieces, it was just a daunting task to think, can I actually put it together? Well, this one is pre-assembled and I think it's going to go together very, very easily. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to assemble it. Now I want to show you everything that's here. You can see the gantry, you can see both of the y-axis as well as the frame. And then you have some of the wiring harness, the stepper motors, and of course the drag chain. This is a complete CNC pre-assembled with all of the major components put together. I'm looking forward to being able to assemble this and to get it up and running. But I am super excited to be able to have this new CNC machine from CNC4NEWBIE. Thank you very much to them. Okay, this is the controller. This is the Demon controller. And this is also very well packaged. A lot of bubble wrap holding this in position. Let's get this box out of the way and let's go ahead and open this up. Now the Demon controller is also from CNC4NEWBIE and it was drop shipped to me and it arrived today in the mail so that I can be able to have all the components to put together. Looks like this is going to take a few minutes. We have more cables. This is the USB cable for the controller. And we've got some small parts here. Now that I've got it out of the box, we can take a look at it. Now the case itself is actually 3D printed, but it looks like it's very well done. All right, very good. Let's go ahead and set this on the table next to the CNC machine. Thank you for watching my video today, and I hope that you enjoyed watching me unbox this brand new CNC. And again, I want to thank CNC4NEWBIE for being able to provide to me this CNC machine. I think this is going to be a fantastic journey learning about how this CNC works and comparing it to the old one. So if you like this video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it so that you'll be notified on all the videos that I'm uploading. So until next time, take care and be safe.